Today we have a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Airport Thief Stealing $1,000 Doesn't End Well.
On June 26, 2023, airport officers were dispatched in response to a report of shoplifting in progress.
I want to see how he looks like so you guys can help us.
You know where he went?
That's what we're going around.
You know what that shirt says?
No, I don't know what it says.
Can you bring it back and open it, make it wider? Hey, can you stop? Can you stop that?
It doesn't look clear.
What does that say there? On this guy's shirt. Try to make it go again, maybe get another shot at a different angle. Are you guys want to press charges? We catch him?
We don't.
Okay.
He stole almost $1,000
Okay.
from us.
And where do you walk over this way?
Yeah, he went like this way. Around stealing.
Yeah, Brooks on the plane. It's Bobby from Dallas to 56 Sierra. It's a light skin now. He's pushing a small roller bag that's white with a bunch of different colors. He's got a blue shirt with green lettering on it, and he's got gray shorts and black sneakers. He was headed towards the atrium. The Brookstone store, and they want to press charges.
Copy. A white male, blue shirt, gray shorts, pushing a cart with.
No, he's got a roller bag that's white with different colors on it. He got a hat on or anything like that?
Yeah, he has a hat on.
Dude, he doesn't look like he's got a dark colored baseball cap on, and he's clean shaven. And what did he do? Put him in his pocket or put him in his bag?
He put one in his pocket. The other one, he put it on the other pocket. And then he went around.
Did you ever see him once he left the store?
No, I was actually on break.
Oh, okay.
So when I came back, that's when I noticed I was missing a few things. Then I told my co-worker.
All right.
So and then he stole that, and then he went here and stole more stuff. But she was busy.
46. Looking at the tape, this happened approximately 11:50.
So and then he stole that too.
Okay.
Like he took those.
So I'll look around. This is about a half hour ago. I'll look around. I'll go down by the bus stop and
Okay.
stuff. Are you going to be in the store?
Yeah.
I'll come back to the store and I'll make the report for you.
All right. Thank you
No
so
problems.
much.
You stealing from the bookstore? You stole $1,000 worth of stuff. Oh, from the Brookstone. I thought it said the bookstore. I'm like, yo, wait, hold on. You stealing from some shit like Barnes and Nobles? How you even got that much stuff up in there? But okay. Brookstone. All right. I'm about to, oh boy, I'm about to go in, bruh. I'm like, what? Who goes to the bookstore and steals $1,000 worth of stuff? But okay, all right. Let me continue the video before I get ahead of myself, all right?
Just whatever he stole.
Yeah, how much it was?
Separately or the total? Because I'm
Each one separately.
down.
Yeah, each one separately.
That's it. That's all he stole.
All right, so the mail came in the store, took above property, totaling whatever kind of was it, $440, $330, and $199.
It was $950.
All right, totaling $950. Okay, he was a Hispanic male, white male.
It was a white man. Oh, you're not gonna believe it. I just see him. He's in Oakley right now. He's in Oakley right now.
Hold on to that.
Wow, he's got the balls on him, boy.
286.
286.
Down 1012 the guy in the Oakley stuff. Do you have any ID?
Not on me, no.
What are you doing around here?
I'm waiting on a person to come in.
What person to come in?
I think he said
Ecuador.
12.
From Ecuador? What's in that bag?
Nothing.
Nothing's in that bag?
No, nothing.
I got you on video taking stuff from that store. I'll push away from that.
Whoa, don't move. Don't make no funny movements now. Get you together in here, boy.
I got you there. I'm not going to
Oh, he gonna get them together.
You got more than a hot rod.
497 full traffic.
I don't have anything.
Stop resisting, sir.
Jesus.
JD from over there. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Turn it.
You got him, Ivan? Yep.
Yes.
Hold on a second. Look. Put him on the ground. Put him on the ground. So you're going to get on the ground, you're going to do it. Now.
Hold on. I got it, Sergeant.
Go face first. Go face down. Put your hand behind your back. Do it. Put your hand behind your back.
My heart.
Put your hand behind your back.
Hurt my back.
Put your hand behind your back. There you go, sir.
You just broke a rib.
You got it, Ivan?
Just broke a rib.
Okay.
No, we didn't.
Yes, you did.
Just stop resisting, sir.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
Ouch.
There you go. Where's your other bag?
One male,
I don't have a
10-15.
bag.
All right, go get a car.
I hate. Oh, my chest! You're hurting my chest.
Stop resisting. We're gonna put you on your side.
You just hurt my ribs.
Sit down.
You did hit my ribs.
289, 10-9.
What?
We need someone with a car.
Ivan went to go get one.
Can anybody copy 289?
Can I stand up?
No.
Ivan went to go get it. We got it.
Units on the 56 unit check.
Where's that for? I don't know. This should probably take from the thing. Where's the other stuff? Where's your other bag that you got?
Hey, those units, bring out to 3A curbside. My car, case car stayed here.
Where are you in front of?
50-yard line, 3A curbside. It's actually here, conveniently.
Fight you, sir. I get
Yes, you did. You tried to get away from me.
Ivan, sorry. What airline? That's not true.
The car is going to be the 50-yard line.
Yeah, she's
It's right outside 50-yard
I
line.
didn't scare you. You ran away from me because you're stealing stuff.
run away from
Yes, you did.
Perfect.
Stand up.
Just tell us when you're there, Ivan.
Stand up.
Hang on.
Put your leg in.
Go down 289. If you just come out of the Oakley store, go down the hallway towards the A side of the car. Should be right out there.
Oh, yeah.
Said no ID, no nothing on it, right?
Hey, it's right there. So, it's right there. Cars? Yeah.
No, they ID'd him from inside the store.
They ID'd him.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, we're doing ID him. Here.
Really? Very insulting.
This is Jesus stuff. He got,
Military guy.
man, he's got nothing on him. Hang on.
Oh, sorry, Tommy.
That's all right. He's got nothing on him.
Where's the other bag? Don't do.
Yeah, I got him. Sorry.
Is this his bag?
No, that's what he brought in there, but it's like stolen from Disney.
Is that his bag or a bag? No, we're missing the other bag.
Yeah, he stole it probably from the Disney store, yeah. But he don't have the other bag. We had a lot of other stuff in. So he might be with somebody else. See me?
That's a different luggage.
Yeah, no, this is Disney. This is stolen from Disney.
Oh, he took.
I put the report up there somewhere.
I know
It
they
might have fell
stripped
down or something.
It's right here.
You know if we have any complaints about anything?
Honestly, we didn't even ask.
Brand new.
Take him back.
Let me take him back over there and see. This stuff there.
Yeah, let's see. I got it.
You know, and he could play them stupid games all he wants as far as, oh, I don't have a bag. I don't got ID. I don't got this. I don't got that, whatever. You're going in the stores pretty much empty-handed trying to take things or whatever. But all they need is an approximate date, or not approximate date, but approximate time and location. And once they have that, all they're going to do is just backtrack your movements. They're just going to follow you. So now that they got him in the store or whatever, all they're going to do is just backtrack, whether he checked in, whatever, wherever he was going, lollygagging, doo-doo-doo, switching the cameras, and they're going to find everything. They're going to find all the stores that you done went to and you stole. They're going to find where you put your bags at, everything. They're going to find where you went in to go check in and all that. They're going to find all that stuff.
He got another bag.
Yeah, I know. Where is the bag, though?
That's just it.
The bag that he had, we don't even know where the other bag is.
Oh, he was with someone.
Was that, hey, Tommy, did you see anybody in the store with him?
No, he's by himself.
He didn't take these from your store, right? They look like they've been around a minute. They don't look exactly brand new.
Nah, I mean, we had 6 taken yesterday. This is not one of them.
Okay.
But these are Oakley products.
Yeah.
Leash and glasses.
Okay.
Nah.
Okay.
Like I said, we had 6 taken yesterday.
Did you?
He came in by himself, correct?
Yeah, literally, I saw him because I was shoe shadowing in because I just clocked in. I saw him, I went to step up, and I think it was you that were like, hey, what are you doing? And he tried to push off.
Yeah.
So that's when I stepped up and I saw you interact with him.
Yeah.
But me, he just came in.
Okay.
So I checked this wall. He made this missing, but
All right.
he was here when you approached him.
Okay.
But when I was seeing that he's missing,
All right, no problem.
and those,
What other bag?
1054.
Oh, this is the complaints on this, so we're good to go.
Just make sure that they write in their statement that they ID'd him in this store, and that's why we make
Okay,
contact with
so
them.
whenever you guys need the...
No, we just got to put down.
So his other bag of white
He has
ones.
another bag.
Yeah, it's
He
white
has
in
another
the
bag.
video.
I don't know where it is. Yeah, it's white with like
Yeah,
different
it's got
color
little
spots.
Disney stuff on it.
I call you guys now. I'm going to show the
Somebody's
video to
got
them.
Good job, boys.
Okay.
Good job.
All right. This is all going to go in an evidence bag, and your money's going to go into a machine where you'll get a receipt for it.
You want to get that back when I get out of the jail?
Yes, sir. All right. So.
I'm going to the jail, right?
Yeah. Got 20.
Can't just go to the court appearance?
No, sir. You got to go to.
Why is that?
Oh, I don't know. That's just the process here. You go to jail, they process you in, and then you'll go to first appearance after that.
Just today?
Possibly later this afternoon, yeah. What's that?
I said I need one to keep out of trouble.
The man was charged with grand theft in the 3rd degree and resisting an officer without violence. He pled guilty to both charges, but adjudication was withheld, meaning he was not formally convicted. He was sentenced to 6 months of supervised probation, 40 hours of community service, and was prohibited from returning to the airport. No restitution was ordered to the victim.
So he ain't even got to pay the store back. That's some bullshit. No restitution was ordered to the victim. Come on, man. This is... Oh, man. So I guess he ain't going to Ecuador. That's what he was trying to go to, right? Ecuador or some shit. Wow. Unbelievable, man. The airport is so cameraed up. These officers, they trying to scramble around and find it before reaching, contacting the camera room and stuff like that, whatever. But because that's a more drawn out process, whatever. But they gonna find your stuff. Date, time, location. This is him. Okay, let's backtrack him. And that's it. That place is cameraed up, man. Airport, worst. That's the worst place to do stuff. Like, I don't understand it. I don't understand it at all. I don't understand why people steal in general. Whatever. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hype the video. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can send a super thanks, a super sticker, or look in the description section where you will see links to our memberships, YouTube membership, and our Patreon. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thanks for your support.